Okay, hello friends. So as we all know that there has been lockdown all across the country here, and we don't know when our institute is going to reopen. It may take April or we don't know. It is very indefinite. So the institute has decided to do our lectures in the online form. So what we are doing is, so I will be starting the online lectures. So what I'm going to do is I'll make some videos of our lectures and post it through this Google Classroom setting. Okay. So so what we are going to do is, so we had completed the estimation theory in our lectures pre midsem. And in the post midsem, we started to look at the detection theory, especially the Neyman-Pearson theorem. So I will take up that thing from there. I'll take it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the lectures on the Google Classroom. So these will be YouTube videos. You can watch it on YouTube. So the first thing is that I will post it on the Google Classroom. What I'm going to do next is, so that will be the video part. So I will post the video, and you can see I'll use the similar format, the Microsoft Whiteboard, to write things, write equations, and whatever I have to explain, I will use this kind of a setting that I am showing in this video. So for that I will, so many a times you might have skipped some of the equations. You don't want to go back to the video and play it again. So to make things easy for you, what I'm doing is I'm also putting a svg file. It is similar to an image file. It is similar to an image file, and it will be like putting the snapshot of my whiteboard on for you to refer back after you have watched the video. Okay, so that will be a quick reference guide for you. And for each video and each lecture that I'll post, you can provide your feedback. You can also ask questions. Okay, you can ask questions. How you can ask questions is, either you can write it on the comment section in the Google Classroom post. Okay, so you can write on the comment section, or what you can do is you can write it on a piece of paper, write on a piece of paper, and you can post the image on the Google Classroom. Image post to Google Classroom. Okay, or you can also mail it to me. You can also email your questions if you face any questions, any problems with the lectures, understanding the lecture, or any other thing that you face some problems. You can mail me also, or you can write it on the Google Classroom, or you can take a snapshot of what you have written on your copy and send it to me. Okay, so this is one part of the feedback. You can also tell me if you are facing any problems with the network case. Okay, so if you are facing some problem with the network in your area, then you can also tell me whether you were able to understand the lecture, or the lecture was visible, lecture was audible, and so on. Okay. The other thing is, as you might recall, I had promised to do some part of the optimization theory so that we can have a better understanding of the concepts that we wanted to discuss, especially the optimization used in the Neyman-Pearson theorem. So I will start with the optimization theory, and I will post the lectures uh, first from the optimization theory, and then I will take up the detection theory part. Okay. All right. For the to better know what is the status, um, your status, I mean to say, what are the problems you are facing back at home, maybe the networking issues or the problem with the current epidemic that is going on. So I've made a small questionnaire, a Google form, which is provided in the Google Classroom. The link is provided in the Google Classroom. So link is there in Google Classroom. So I would request all of you to please fill this Google form. Tell me about your status in terms of how you're doing back at your place, and how much is this lockdown affecting you in terms of your personal life as well as the academic life, and the other things that are there. You can write it down and you can send it to me. Okay, so and obviously the connectivity issues, how good is your connectivity back at your place. The reason why I'm collecting this information is that see, I'm making the videos, but uh, these videos might range from 100 MBs to GBs. So based on how the networking connectivity is there at your place, I'll try to compress that. Obviously, when I'm compressing the video, the quality goes down. So there is a trade-off on quality as well as the amount of data that it generates. So it will give me an idea of how well connected you are and how good or compressed videos I should post for these lectures. Okay, so guys, then we will start. I will post the first video on optimization theory shortly, and wish you all the best with the online course. And I hope you are staying safe at home, and please do take care of yourself. Thank you.